Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x and y where 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equal to 42 and x plus y is equal to 3. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. Now equation number 1 we get 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equal to 42, or multiplying both sides by 6 to the power x we can write here 6 to the power x times 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y times 6 to the power x is equal to 42 times 6 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power x times 6 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power x whole square plus here we can write 6 to the power x plus y is equal to 42 times 6 to the power x. Or 6 to the power x whole square plus 6 to the power. Now attention here, from equation number 2 we can know x plus y is equal to 3, so we can write here 6 cube is equal to 42 times 6 to the power x, or 6 to the power x square plus 6 cube, that means 216, and taking this 42 times 6 to the power x to left side we will get negative 42 times 6 to the power x is equal to 0. Or let's consider 6 to the power x is equal to a. 6 to the power x is equal to a, so we can get here a square plus 216 minus 42a is equal to 0. Now rearranging it we can write here a square minus 42a plus 216 is equal to 0. Now we can here apply middle term breaking, so we can write here a square minus 36a minus 6a, because 36a minus 6a is equal to 42a, and this 36 times this 6 is equal to 216 is equal to 0. Or taking common a to first two term we will get a minus 36, and taking common negative 6 to last two term we will get a minus 36 is equal to 0. Or taking common a minus 36 we will get a minus 36 times a minus 6 is equal to 0. So a minus 36 is equal to 0 or a minus 6 is equal to 0. So we get a minus 36 is equal to 0 and a minus 6 is equal to 0. When a minus 36 is equal to 0, from here a is equal to 36 and here a is equal to 6. But remember a is equal to 6 to the power x, so here we can write 6 to the power x is equal to 36, or 6 to the power x is equal to 36 we can write 6 square. Now, or there are same base but different powers, so we can write here x is equal to 2, so the value of x is equal to 2, and here a is equal to 6 to the power x, so we can write here 6 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power 1. There are same base but different powers, so we can write here x is equal to 1. Okay, when x is equal to 2 Now from equation number 2 we can write here 2 plus y is equal to 3 plus y is equal to 3, or this 2 or y is equal to 3 minus 2. So the value of y is equal to 1, and when x is equal to 1, now from equation number 2 we get 1 plus y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 3 minus 1, so the value of y is equal to 2. So the final value of x and y, when x is equal to 2 then y is equal to 1, and when x is equal to 1 then y is equal to 2. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.